Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Brust and I am going to show you a project that you can do. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, some scissors, a pen to write with or a marker, and you're going to need to go outside and find some flowers from your yard or from the woods. Take a little nature walk and get some flowers. Let me show you what we're going to do. There's a hole punch. And I'm going to use to punch a hole in my cardboard. Can you see how many holes I have in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes in my cardboard. And now I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw a vase because we're going to put our flowers in a vase. My vase is shaped like this. And we'll put some lines on it to make it interesting. All right, there's my vase. Now I have some flowers. I'll show you here that I found outside. I went and took a nature walk and I found some flowers. And I cut them with my scissors. And I'm going to cut a little one here. There. And I'm going to take the stem and I'm going to put it right in one of the holes, like that. Let me do that again. I have another one. These flowers are called black-eyed Susans. Okay, so now I have 2. I have another one. 3, 4. I have one more. I dried off my flowers. I want to make sure they were dry. There, now it looks like I have flowers in the vase. I have a little bit of green up here for some leaves. Now I have flowers in the vase and I'm going to put them right here. For you to see.